and audience. I'm HAURA ADINDA from Banda Aceh. Today, I will tell you a story from West Java under the title Situ Bagende. Are you ready to hear my story? Okay, let's start it. A long time ago, far away in an isolated village, there was a young rich woman. The house that she had been living in was very big. Her wealth was plentiful. The young woman lived by herself. She didn't have any friends in all. I'm the rich woman. I'm the richest woman in this village. See, the young woman, while she was looking at her gold and jewelry, it was so many that the young woman was very miserable. Her father-in-law nobody used to have owners. Oh, totally mine, isn't it? So what I can be able to on the floor? The young woman thought. However, many of the villagers were poor. They lived in less condition. Sometimes, some villagers were hungry and didn't get any food items. Because of the young woman's misery, the villagers called her Bagende. Bagende means the misery reached herself. Bagende, have mercy on me, Bagende. My child has not eaten for a few days. Help me, Bagende, help me. Thank you. Hey, you are crazy old woman. Get away from me. Young Bagende took the old woman in because the old woman didn't want to go. Bagende splashed her with water. And all of her old woman body and her baby began to wait. Bagende was very miserable. The villagers Bagende was less venomous. Bagende was a less woman. She didn't even have little bit mercy to the old woman and her baby. She even got angry. After that, she asked the old woman to get out of her hotel, and then she was dragging her out of the room. Okay, Bagende was very miserable. The village people kept coming. They came from the water well. No, I will let you to take away the water from my well. The water from my well is mine. Say your Bagende angrily. Ha 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 ha! You're all stupid. You think you just can't take the water from my well? Suddenly, a three-legged man was standing in Bagende's hillside. He was walking tottering to the well while holding it his feet. Then the old man trying to take the water. Bagende saw it. Then she hit the old man with a stone. Have mercy on me, Bagende. I want to take the water. Just for a drink. Please help me, Bagende. Said the old man when he was trying to get out. Bagende kept begging the old man. And then, an astonishing thing happened. Suddenly, the old man got up with a healthy body. He walked closer to Bagende. He pointed his feet at the poor rich woman. Hey, Bagende, take the punishment from me. Said the old man loudly. Then he pointed with his feet at the well. The after this? The water was drinking the water's river. Not long enough, the water was flowing out. Back to its perfect herself. She drank with all of her wealth. The village was disappeared. The thing that's like a white antique lake. A white lake named